Today we asked what is your favorite song or does this song sounds good? But thousands of years ago, India asked a different question. What this sound do to my mind, emotions and to my spirit? Because in India, music was never just about entertainment. It was something more deeper. It is a way to connect with yourself, with the nature and with the universe. Let's start with the fascinating concept called Nada Brahma, which means the universe itself is a sound. Think about it. Long before modern science spoke about frequencies and vibrations, our ancestors believed that everything around us was a vibration. Like our heartbeat, our breath, flowing water, rustling leaves and everything. Coming to Sarigama Padani, the 7 notes we all know. And from these 7 notes came thousands of ragas, emotions and musical journeys. And here is something most people don't know. Indian music recognizes 22 shrutis, the tiny microtones hidden between the main notes. What if I told you that changing a one note by the tiniest amount could change the entire emotion of the song? Like it can change peace into heartbreak, joy into sadness. That's why raga is not just simply a melody. It is an emotion carefully shaped through sound. But it gets even more interesting. Our ancestors believed that music should move with nature. Like some ragas were meant for sunrise, some for sunset and some for midnight. Because they believed that every moment of a day had different energies and music could bring us into harmony with the nature. And then comes one of the most famous stories of Indian music, the story of Tansen, the legendary musician in Akbar's court. It is said his Rag Deepak could light lamp and his Megh Malhar could literally bring rain. Were these literal events or beautiful legends? Nobody knows for sure. But this story says something important, that India never saw music ordinary. We believed music has power. Power to transform emotions, power to influence your mind and power to connect yourself with the nature. And today the modern neuroscience says the same. Music can affect your memory, it can improve your focus, it can reduce your stress and even it can influence your brain functionalities. But ancient Indians understood this long back ago before any modern technologies. So Indian music is not just what we hear in concerts or films. It is 1,000 years of observation, science, spirituality and wisdom in every note. And that's about our Indian music. So comment down your favorite Indian music.